What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of reopening Instagram photos that you have already viewed on your mobile device. Just a quick disclaimer, as of the moment, Instagram doesn't have a feature where you can reopen disappearing photos or videos, but we can help you do this best practices before viewing the disappearing photo. Open Instagram app on your mobile device. From here, go to the messages on the top right corner of the screen. Open the message that you want to open the image sent by them. In my case, let's open this one. As you can see, this photo is a disappearing one, which means you can only view this once. What we want to do is open our control panel by swiping done on the top right of your screen if you're using an iPhone. Then we will tap the screen record over here. You can now capture the photo that may disappear instantly, or you can screenshot this one if you don't like to record your screen. By following the steps, you can easily reopen any Instagram photo you have already viewed on your mobile device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.